Darren Fuller, I'm the installations manager. I've worked at Kloeber for 13 years. My day-to-day role is overseeing the live installations, so I would coordinate with builders and clients in the morning and the site teams, just bring everything together throughout the day, just make sure the installation goes smoothly, overcome any problems or unforeseens that may happen. Every site's different, every project's different, and with the bespoke products that we sell, there are things that come up. So it's my day-to-day role just to make sure everything goes smooth. I'll be communicating with you directly. We will have a foreman that's in charge of the job on site, who would be the person that initially calls me if there is an issue. And then obviously if I need to escalate that issue to clients, yourself, I would do so. I also coordinate with architects and builders, whoever is the nominated representative on site. And once the installation is complete, if there is a follow-up, then you get an email from me and a handover, and just make sure that you're aware of everything that needs to be done before I pass that over to our dedicated aftercare team. I think my favourite product is the folding sliding door, most definitely. The timber folding sliding door, it looks amazing, it functions amazing. It's very simple to install as well, which is a really good benefit. Very adjustable, and yeah, it's a really nice product, so that's probably my favourite. One of the projects that stands out for me that was very involved was a 5-storey block of flats with a very large sliding door going in 5th floor. That involved full-blown closures, a crane lift, vacuum suction lift for the glass itself. Very difficult project. A lot of coordination between us and the clients, just to make sure that everything went correct for that. But I think they came to us at the end of the day just because they knew that we would actually take them from A to B in a way and get involved with the whole project, not just worry about the installation or the product itself. My colleagues are very time served, and they know the products, they are used to handling quite large projects, very technical projects. So there's a wealth of experience and we bounce off each other, and that's a massive benefit for the client, but also for the installers and the builders and the architects, just to make sure we get it right at the end of the day. And the final result is what sort of keeps my drive going. Love to see our products going in, multiple products on a really nice build, absolutely fantastic. And then right at the very end, a very happy client. You know, it sort of makes their project become real once their doors and windows go in. It's like a well-oiled machine, and for me, my confidence has grown massively up because I've had a part in that machine in lots of different areas. So for me, it's actually helped me develop. When we do these unique projects, we get the exposure from them. That's absolutely fantastic to look at. Do a case study on that and then present that, and what that does is that allows people to come, you know, to us to do something a little bit different, to do something a little bit out there that other people haven't done before. If you're looking at doing something a little bit quirky, a little bit different, something very unique, you need somebody to hold your hand, make that dream happen, then I think Kloeber's probably a really good place for you to start looking, because it's what we take pride in, it's something that we do.